Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Nvidia graphics not detected in a device manager. Let's fix it guys. Method one, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Just need to select the view on the top and select check this show hidden devices option. And now expand the display adapters and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method two, you just need to select the action tab and select scan for hardware changes and check if it is shown here. If it is doesn't shown here, then you just need to go to search menu and type Windows updates. Comes up Windows update settings, click on open it. On right side select advanced options, select optional updates, and you just need to check mark this driver updates option and select download and install. After the download and install gets done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command. Just copy and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, check if the problem solved or not. If not, just to close it off here and let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, open up Chrome and set driver booster. Press enter. Select the first link. Select a free download option. After getting download and select the driver booster and install it. Just to close it off the Chrome. Select the install option. Under here, make sure you doesn't checked over here and select install and select accept. Select no thanks option and select the scan now option. After it gets scanned done, you just need to select the update now option. Select OK. This will update all your required drivers. After this update done, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.